In this video, I will be able to tell you the Memrise language learning application review. So I have made a comprehensive review about the Memrise language learning application. And in this video, I will cover all the pros and cons about it. So Memrise continued to be a popular choice for language learning application in 2025 as well. It was basically made in 2010, and since then, it's been one of the top-notch website where you guys can learn about any language that you want to learn. It also has a beautiful application that is very user friendly and enables you to learn new language very easily. You can select between different sort of levels, between beginner, advanced, and professional. So all of these things. So what are the pros? So first thing is engaging content. Memrise uses short videos, lessons, features, native speakers, making the learner experience authentic and personal. Space repetition. The app employs spaced repetition technique to help users to retain vocabulary effectively. User-generated courses. You can generate courses according to your own requirements and needs, and that is very helpful for cover all the wide range of topics, adding diversity to the learning materials. So the next thing is gamification. Memrise incorporates game-like elements such as points, badges, and leaderboards to keep learners motivated and keeping them attached with the application. So this application also comes with a cross-platform integration, which can be able to install in multiple devices, including mobiles, tablets, and desktop. So now we talk about the cons of this application. So the cons also are very limited. So you have to buy a paid subscription plan to get more and more content and options, which are obviously available for only paid subscription. Basics lessons, some users find the lessons to be quite elementary and not suitable for advanced learners. And the next thing is inconsistent speech recognition. The speech recognition technology can be inconsistent. It needs a lot of improvement. And the last step is repetitive exercises. The exercise can become repetitive over time, and you guys can get bored with that. So overall, Memrise is a solid choice for beginners and intermediate learners looking to build their vocabulary and practice with their native speakers. However, advanced learners might find it lacking in depth. The gamification and user-generated content make it engaging and diverse platform for language learners. So this is pretty much it for the video. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye-bye.